Hello everyone, welcome back to USA Immigration Visa, your go-to channel for everything related to US visas and immigration. I'm Aditya Singh, and today, I'm going to share my personal experience of going through a US visa interview at the US Embassy. Whether you are preparing for your own interview or just curious about the process, stay tuned for some valuable insights and tips. So, let's dive right into it. The first step in my journey was scheduling the visa interview. I applied for a visitor B1-B2 visa, and I had to go through the online application process, which includes filling out the DS-160 form and paying the visa fee. Make sure to double-check all your information on the DS-160 form before submitting it, as any errors can cause delays. After submitting the form and paying the fee, I was able to schedule my interview appointment. It's essential to book your slot as early as possible, especially during peak seasons. I chose an early morning slot to avoid long waiting times, and it worked out great for me. On the day of the interview, I arrived at the embassy about 30 minutes before my scheduled time. Security at the embassy is very strict, so remember to bring only the necessary documents and avoid carrying any electronic devices or large bags. I had my passport, appointment confirmation, DS-160 confirmation page, visa fee receipt, and supporting documents like financial statements and invitation letters. Once inside, I went through a security check and then joined the queue for document verification. The staff was very professional and efficient, which made the process smooth. After the initial document check, I was directed to the waiting area for my interview. The waiting area was quite full, and I could see people from all walks of life, each with their own stories and reasons for visiting the US. Finally, I was called, and I approached the interview window with a mix of nervousness and excitement. The visa officer greeted me with a smile, which helped calm my nerves. The interview began with basic questions about my purpose of visit, my background, and my plans in the US. Some of the questions I was asked included: why do you want to go to the US? How long do you plan to stay? What is your occupation? Do you have any relatives in the US? I answered honestly and confidently, making sure to provide concise but detailed responses. The officer might also ask for supporting documents, so keep them handy. In my case, they asked to see my financial statements and invitation letter. After a few minutes of typing and reviewing my documents, the officer informed me that my visa was approved. I was overjoyed and thanked the officer before leaving the embassy with a huge sense of relief and accomplishment. So, there you have it, my experience of a US visa interview at the embassy. The key takeaways are to be well prepared, stay calm, and answer honestly. Remember, the visa officers are there to assess your eligibility, so provide clear and truthful information. I hope my experience gives you a better idea of what to expect during a US visa interview. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides on US immigration and visas. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your visa interview.